All right, guys, starting off, I'm gonna go ahead and measure my ride height from the center of the wheel to the wheel well. Are we keeping that? Oh, brother. And that looks about 22 inches there for the front. And let's measure the rear. And that's about 25 for the rear.
So 22 in the front, 22.
Yeah, 22 in the front, and 22 in the rear. Or 25 in the rear.
All right. That looks killer, dude. All right, Steven, now that it's lowered, you gonna do the tape measure again?
Yeah, we're gonna measure this again. Now, the rear end ended up being a lot worse than the front end, and I expected the front to be bad. So the kit said it was a 3.5 kit. I think we got quite a bit there in the rear. So let's see what we got here.
So before was 22 inches?
Yeah, before was about 22 inches. Well, that's saying about 19 and a half. And the first time I measured this off camera, it was about 22 and a half. So I could have just been holding the tape measure funny. So that is about 3 inches there.
All right, so we got about 3 in the front.
The rear, what was it, like 25?
Yeah, 25 in the rear.
So we should be right around. Yeah, that's right at 19. So
About
that's 6 inches in the rear. So that's pretty spot on.
So rate how hard this job was.
Front end, you can do in your yard, and back end, especially having to flip the axle and all that. You need a lift, in my opinion. It's pretty freaking hard. I'd say a 10.
Looks killer, dude.
Killer, dude.